Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be showing you this no makeup look using all drugstore products. These products, some of them are new, and then others, like, I've been using them since I started wearing makeup. They're pretty much my ride or die products. I would normally put on one coat of mascara, if I didn't have these eyelashes on. I just got eyelash extensions, so that's why I have them, but I have a picture of this look without my eyelash extensions, so I'm gonna include that in this video so you guys can see what it looks like. I really like how this turned out, actually, and with my eyelash extensions I like it even more because I love big lashes, so it's like the focus is pretty much on my eyelashes, and I really like it. And if you guys want to see more drugstore looks, then just like this video or comment down below, and I will be sure to make some more videos with just drugstore products. I have some that I'm planning right now, so hopefully you guys want to see some. Just let me know. And if you want to see how I achieved this look using all drugstore products, then just keep on watching.
Starting with foundation and primer, I'm going with the Magic Lumi primer and the Maybelline Fit Me in 220 as my foundation. And I'm just going to mix them on the back of my hand. It's going to help sheer out my foundation and make it look more natural. It's going to help my skin show through it. And it's also going to add a glow because it's a luminous primer. So I add that natural glow. And then I just put a little bit on, and then where I need some more coverage, I'll put that on, but I try to keep it very light so you can still see my real skin through the foundation. And just make sure to blend that into your hairline and down your neck, and then onto your chest, and just make sure everything is blended so it looks natural. For concealer, Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Light. And I'm just going to take that and put it in a triangle underneath my eyes. And it's just going to help brighten that up. And this is a very lightweight concealer, so it's not going to cake up and look heavy, but it's still going to conceal those dark circles. And I'm also going to highlight my face with this. I'm just going to take my Real Techniques beauty sponge and then just blend that all in and make sure everything is blended so it looks as natural as it can. And then I do not put anything on my eyelids because I think it adds to the no makeup look, but I will run over it a little bit just to make sure, with my fingers, just to make sure everything is blended and there's no lines or anything like that. For powder, I'm going in with the Airspun Loose Face Powder, and I'm just going to set underneath my eyes and in my T-zone, just really where I need it and where I'm going to get oily. And then you have to be careful with this. Make sure you tap off your brush, because if not, you'll see what happens pretty soon. And just dust that off. And then for brows, I'm going in with the Maybelline Brow Precise, and I think it's called Brunette. And then I'm just going to fill in my brows a little bit and just comb through them. And I don't do too much, really, but I just fill them in to really pull together the whole look. And I just tried out this pencil, and I don't really use pencils, but I actually really like this, and I've been using it ever since I've got it. So if you're looking for a good brow pencil that's drugstore, Maybelline Brow Precise. Bronzer, I'm using the Butter Bronzer, and It smells so good, you guys. It smells like coconuts and just like an island. So I'm just going to take like a big fluffy brush and just bronze my face a little bit just to give it some color, but not too much to where you can tell that like I've contoured. So I'm just keeping it very subtle and very natural and just giving it like a sun-kissed glow kind of. And I haven't tried this bronzer before, and I've been wanting it for years because a whole bunch of people on YouTube talk about it. And I must say that I do love it. It blends super nice. So another drugstore product is the bronzer, the butter bronzer. It blends so smooth. For highlight, I'm taking the Wet n Wild in Precious Petals, and I'm just going to dab my beauty blender in there and then put that right on like the high points of my face, and it just helps it to like melt into your skin, so it gives it like more of like a natural glow. So after that, just stare at your highlight in the mirror for a bit and then apply some lip balm. This one has some shine to it, so it'll make my lips appear bigger. And then that is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed.
Okay guys, so that is my tutorial on a all drugstore no makeup look. So if you want me to do more drugstore looks, go ahead and like this video down below and I'll be sure to do that. I have some planned. Hopefully you guys want to see them because I'm already planning to do them. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video if you would like. See you in my next video.